All right. Hey guys, welcome back to howtobuycrypto.com. I want to say thank you to the people that are commenting, adding, subscribing. I got 89 subscribers. And let's see, shout outs to Amy, producer product reviews, Dark Epic, Brooklyn Cat, Edward, Q Daily. I'm just going to say, I want to get that wrong. And I was doing a consultation today on Coinbase with Rick. And let me go ahead and show you here, make sure I got my Okay, so here on Coinbase, this is my demonstration account. So I've got a little bit in each account here, and I was going to add a payment method today. And if you look, if you add a payment method, you can go to increase limits or add payment. You can PayPal is actually integrated into Coinbase now. I'm going to go ahead and add payment. And I hadn't done it yet because I wanted you guys to see here that it's an option. And so it says that you can add the cells of these on into this account. So for those of you that don't want to link Coinbase directly to your bank account, some of you are concerned about that. It's one of the reasons I said you can use a what do you call, like a gift card, or if you want to do a specific, like a bank account, open a separate bank account and set that up just for crypto. You can absolutely do that. Or if you trust PayPal, you're already linked your PayPal account to your bank account, which most people are. Then you can sell your crypto into PayPal and have that cashed in if you want to, either use that to that account or send it over into your bank account. If you prefer that method, that's a cool little, tip for you guys that are, interested in that. That I like PayPal. When I saw it pop up, I was like, awesome, because I know a lot of people use. I mean, it's one of the methods that I use, when I'm consulting, and so if I want to have that function, hey, it's a cool another little added bonus for people that use that service. So let me go ahead and show you as well where we're at with the crypto game. $101 billion, 101 and a half. Guys, I'm still favorable to the market. Based on what I've looked at, it's not doing like the bear that people are talking about. We're definitely not at the peak like it was, but it's been going sideways. I'll just click on this. Oh yeah, and just we'll see where the market goes. If I'm going to pull anything into cash, I will let you guys know. What we're looking at. You see the sideways action here. Um, I'm happy with that where it's at. So if I make any big moves, I'm going to let you guys know. Something I did want to point out. Crooklyn Cat mentioned Veritasium. Man, I hadn't talked to you guys about it in a while. Figure, hey, bring it up. Check this out. 16. This is the 16th place on the market. That's insane. I got in at about $50. And look at that, man. That's insane. I'm pretty excited about that. We'll see where it goes. Every currency has its ups and downs, and clearly this one's had some huge spikes, and dips here. You see that? So we don't know what the future is, but 16th place is insane because it was an over 600th place before. And, that's like, that's a huge jump. I don't know if it was an error in the software that it was that low, or if it was actually, that low for a while and finally jumped up. But whatever the case is, it's doing well. I encourage you guys that when you do well in something to consider pulling some profit. I generally, if you've consulted with me or you took the crypto course, see where my levels of profit and where I pull them, and what I do with that profit as far as how I move it around. But guys, when you're ahead, consider pulling some of your initial capital investment, because then you have that room to play with. You have less risk, on what you're invested in. And for many people, that's a gambling strategy. If you're playing anything, doing like 21 or whatever blackjack, put in money and put in $100, and then you make $100. Great, you pull your $100 out, and then you use the house's money to play with. Guys, it's a smart strategy. You don't, you've removed your risk from the table, and then you have somebody else's money that you're able to use and grow, and legitimate strategy. But always want to consider pulling profit. It's something that I've said from the very beginning, and something that I encourage people to do. There are smarter ways to do it than others. And if you want the best way, you sign up for the course. It's going to be 65 bucks the end of the month. And if you're interested, let me know. I consult as well for $100 an hour. And if you needed less than that, we can just talk about it. I'm very excited for those that already took the course and that are implementing some of these strategies. I'm going to be adding on to the course as it goes. I'm not able to fit everything that I want to in one sitting, but I can give you a good chunk and some rules to go by, in the course. And so the price is just going to go up, guys. $65 is an entry price, and it's because it's our beta test group that's going in. But anyhow, overall, man, I'm excited about the market. I'm excited, about the questions you guys bring to me. Litecoin is looking good. Bitcoin, I was listening to Tone Vay's yesterday and today, and he was talking about how Bitcoin is looking like it's sideways still. He said it's neutral. It doesn't look bear or bull, but it looks like it might be able to break out, and we're going to see here in the short term what it looks like in the next few days, what it's going to do. And we've got all this uncertainty with SegWit wanting to be implemented, and people unsure about the safety of their Bitcoin. Guys, I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about safety of my Bitcoin. Now if I tell you guys tomorrow, hey, it looks like a bear market, go ahead. If you want to pull profit, go ahead and do that. It's going to be a different story. But as it stands, I don't anticipate myself pulling my Bitcoin. I am happy about the fact that I've been able to store, to stack some crypto, and I want to keep crypto. I don't care about the U.S. dollar anymore, except for paying my bills. I want more crypto. I don't want more U.S. dollars. But I understand for some people, your strategy is pull cash out so that you can buy back in on a dip, and that's totally I get that. But just conceptually, I want to leave my money in Bitcoin as much as I can. Now I'll trade other things for it, go back and forth, and you can also hedge. Litecoin. He was also talking about some good movement, some hopefully good news for Litecoin as well in the short term. So if you guys like Litecoin, I do. I have already started moving some of my investment into Litecoin, and I will be for the near future. Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Coinbase has them on there for a reason. I think it's because there's long-term growth potential there, but also short-term. I mean, they're going to put stuff on their market that's going to make them money. And how do you make money? Having a cryptocurrency that has a lot of headroom, and I think that's the case. Litecoin's cheap. It's at 52 bucks right now. So consider that if you're getting into the game, or you want some advice as to what to go into. I like all three. So Bitcoin's my favorite. Litecoin's number two. Ethereum's number three. Now I don't have it in that order. I actually have more Ethereum than Litecoin right now, but I'm working on it. I'm putting my money in. It's the beginning of the month. It's about the time I put some money. I've been putting about $1,000 into the market a month, and getting some awesome return, guys. It's I don't know of another market that's getting these kinds of returns. Even just buying and holding, from the beginning. If I just bought and hold, if you bought and hold when I was telling you in February, you would have a 5x return on your money. $1,000 is $5,000, and that's really hard to beat. So, uh, anyway, give me your questions, guys. Hit me up, Marco at howtobuycrypto.com. You can find me on Facebook at My Quick Tip Investing, or my profile page, Marco Echertea. However you want to do it, guys. I'm happy to talk with you, consult with you, and just say what's up. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. God bless you. Bye bye.